Hey family on YouTube, I just wanted to show you guys my latest creation. This is a spoon huggy, a gingerbread spoon huggy, and this is the way she looks. She is so cute. I'm thinking maybe I might add a little something special there. I also would like to add maybe something on the end of her scarf, but I was just so super excited to share her with you. She has sparkly cheeks, and the reason why she's a spoon huggy is because you can change the spoon that she hugs. So I'm just gonna put this, it's hard to do it with one hand, hopefully I can, but yeah, so you can take any spoon that you have in the kitchen and just add her on, and she will hold on to that spoon. So yeah, she will be going in my Etsy shop. And yeah, I think she came out so stinking cute. I think she's so adorable. Let me see how tall she is. And she is just a little under 6 inches. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you lovely people on YouTube think, and I'll see you in my next video.